In this video, I'll show you how to allow users to register in WordPress Multisite. As you can see here, as a front-end user, all I can do is to log into an existing account. There is no option to register. To allow users to register in WordPress Multisite, make sure you're logged in as admin and go to My Sites, Network Admin and Settings. As you can see, registration is disabled. All you need to do is enable user accounts may be registered and click on the Save Changes button. Once you've done that, reload the page to see if users can now register on your website. And there it is, the option to register is now available on the login page. If after switching the option on and user registration is still not working on your website, I've left you a few things you can check in the description of this video to help you get it going. And finally, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.